What up? It's your boy Rico, and we back. I know y'all like, man, we waiting on that start video. Give me a little second. Your boy gonna get the start video real soon. Like I said, we still gotta add the oil, coolant. I took the pipe into the welding shop. That's already there. I was gonna film it, but I didn't. So I'm just waiting for them to call me back so we can go pick that up, put the piping back on. But in the meantime, your boy got some LEDs. Right now we on some HIDs I've been having for about, like, I don't know, maybe over 4 or 5 years. Pretty wore out. They work though, but my right bulb starting to flicker because something got to be wrong with it. You know, we're gonna check that out. So but let's dive into these LEDs real quick, because I'm seeing a lot of people run into, you know, Zosh, he changed the LEDs. Seen a couple of people post LEDs on YouTube and shit. I mean, on Facebook, and you know, starting to see a couple of other more people post LEDs on YouTube too. So I was like, hey, might as well make an LED video. So these are the ones we have. They're by B16 Turbo LED. Now, all light. Now, don't quote me on this, but I seen a couple of reviews on LEDs. You know, I'm not the LED fucking pro, but but yeah. And you know, you get your bulb, you get like a little, like, I don't know, I think maybe it's like a resistor. Yeah, that's what I think it is. To whatever 12 volt output that was going to. I guess at the correct, so the LEDs can run at a, you know, correct voltage. These are supposed to be blue though. What's this? Oh, snaps. Oh, okay, I see. So I wonder what's the, I know these are 8K, so I guess with the sleeve, with the color sleeve on here, it turns them to 8K. So I wonder what's the real color output of the LED itself. Is it just like pure white, and then, you know, the switch to 8K when you put the sleeve over? How the fuck? Let's see, hold up. The top must come off some type of way. The screw off? Oh yeah, the top screws off. Oh, okay, that's cool. And also, mind you too, these right here, I've seen a couple got like plastic housings. Like this is like all aluminum body. Like this piece, this entire piece, all this is aluminum. You got the fan in the back, the little ballads, well, it's not a balance, but like the little control little finger, whatever the fuck you want to call it, is all aluminum. Got, you know, weather seal connections, as you guys can see right here. That's the connection to the light. So I guess, yeah, you just slide the little blue sleeve over, and put that over. Oh, I got some O-rings that come with it too. So wait, let's just set this down here. Open these. Come on, baby, come out, god damn it. Alright, so I guess these will go on top of this little bitty hat piece, like this, to like seal it, I guess. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not sure. Or am I wrong? Like, am I doing that right? I don't know, like to seal the top, like, it's like the little O-ring keep dipping in. Hold up, let me just see how this. Yeah, this is putting this down. Yeah, that's most definitely what the O-ring is for, because it's just a little gap right there. So put it on the top, and then screw this down, and I gotta, like, let me see, I don't wanna split the O-ring. Yeah, you can see the O-ring keep getting pinched. All right, hold on. Try it like this. Put this over, and then put the O-ring over like this. And then back it out a little bit. There we go. Yeah, boom. You got you a, you know, properly assembled LED. I seen some LEDs reviews, and they was talking about like you know, all different models. And this type of design right here, this little like bulb around the LEDs, like this little glass bubble. I give the LED like a, how can I say, like a better shine. These are the best types, the best design to get. The ones with this little bulb on top of the LED. So that's pretty cool to know. And I found that out after I bought my LEDs, so it wasn't like I knew that then bought the LEDs. No. Then just get the O-ring, and then just put the O-ring over. It's my first time ever having a set of LED bulbs, so yeah, bear with your boy. Snug it. You don't want to split the ring. Booyah. We got both of our lights, and let's go to the car. You want to take your old HID, you see how big these things are? Fucking ugly. Like just big ass balance, double-sided sticky tape. You have to have some more, you know, and an engine bay to mount it. You know, if you want to tuck it, you gotta tuck it under here. The LED is just a whole lot better. So grab this, switch, turn it, and just pull the HID out. And now let's inspect this and see what was really going on with my light. Oh, cracked. You guys can see right there. Focus, baby, focus. It's broke. It still works though, but it was fluttering, like it'd come on and out. You know, HIDs, when you turn them on, they flicker a little bit, and then they gotta warm up, like, you know, and then they warm up. This was, you know, it was not flickering like that. It'd just, they'll flicker, warm up, and then afterwards, it'd just be like, so I knew something was wrong. So I just never really checked it, but you can see it's super cracked right there. Yeah, so out with the old, in with the new, baby. So we can just take your LED. All right, we back. I was having a little bit of issue. I don't know what the hell, like it was working, then it was, you know, as far as I know, before I moved, my light was working. And then when I finally get here, just changed it, you know, changed the lights out, and it wasn't working. And damn, did they sell me a broke LED? I was finna be bummed out on that. So check, double check, triple check, and both of the LEDs work fine. What's under, I thought it was maybe my fuse. Fiddled with that a little bit. Worked perfectly fine now. So now we got both LEDs in. You can actually hear the little fans running. Yeah, you can hear the lights. I'm gonna put the HID back in this light right here, and we're gonna see the comparisons. Okay, now we have the HID in this headlight and the LED and that headlight. Now let's see the comparison. The LED is much brighter. Much brighter. Yeah. Like the HID, it's like more of a crisp type view, and a LED is more of a like wide, like almost, I wouldn't say flood. You know, we also gotta see how they look out on the road though, but brightness wise, yeah, I gotta give it to the LED. The LED most definitely got it though. That I must say. So that was a little, you know, HID LED comparison. It wasn't, you know, the best, but just something for y'all. A little, you know, unboxing, install. Had a little issues to go through, but I mean, we got it all right though. So just waiting on the welder shop to call me back so I can pick up my charge pipe, and then we can put the vibrant clamp on. And then after that, I already bought the oil. I got some coolant, and yeah, man, we can start her up. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Rate, comment, subscribe. This your boy SI Rico, and I'm out. Peace.